over, I guess. Back. My internet's not working all that great. Look who's back and feeling a lot better. Grandma Tanner is back with us. And today she will be making butternut squash and apple casserole. Now you've made something similar, right? But
I just did it in a skillet with just sausage and butternut squash.
Okay, so this one is in the oven and we got apples with it.
Apples and apple salsa and just all kinds of goodies.
All right.
I just want to talk a little bit. This is the butternut squash, and it's if you have a hard time cutting them, pierce it about 3 or 4 times and put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. You have to pierce it because you don't want that thing to explode in your microwave.
Have you had that happen?
No, because I've always pierced them.
Okay.
So I have already cut the butternut squash up, and I have a little salt here. I'll just put a little bit on. And then I have a half a cup of onions that I have chopped up, and I'm going to put them on next.
That's what I smelled when I came in.
Yeah. It just gives it a little bit of zip. You want to call it zip?
Little flavor.
Little flavor. And then I have 2 apples. One is a Jazz, and the other one is a Jonathan.
Oh, we have Jazz in? Or Rave?
Rave. I guess it's Rave.
Yeah.
Richard, your father went and got me 2 of them.
All right.
So we'll stick them in there like that. And I did not peel these because there's lots of vitamins in the peel of an apple, and I just think they're got a lot of vitamins in apples. Then the next thing, we have this wonderful apple salsa.
You know what? It's been selling. They've been sampling that, and it has been selling like hotcakes. I told her she had to quit sampling that and sample the peach because we're going to run out before.
Yeah, so you just dabble this a little bit, and the flavor just kind of goes through with it. It does have a little bit of jalapenos in there. Not too many.
So you just put as much as you want on there. No matter.
Yeah, this I made this yesterday, and the employees gobbled it all down. And so I had a half. This is a 16 ounce, so I thought I'd use the other half today. This is real easy once you get the squash all cut.
It's the hardest part, huh?
Yeah, but put that in the microwave, and it's much easier to cut.
One time I saw, I don't know where we were at, but they were cutting squash, and they had a thing hooked up to the drill.
Oh.
I don't remember where it was. It's at another farm market.
They probably sold cut up squash.
They sold cut peeled squash.
Yes. Okay, now I'm going to put a 1.5 pounds of seasoned sausage. I do have sage in here. So what I like to do is just take little bits and put it around.
You have sage, just sage, or sage and?
Well, I think there's 2 kinds.
Okay.
One's Italian and the other one is sage.
Alrighty.
And that's another thing. It gives us a little bit more flavor. And I know these employees want to eat this because the evening ones, well, it might be part of their meal. And then all this flavor of the sausage goes down into the squash. Really makes it good. Now, the acorn, you can cut that this way and fill it full of sausage and put it in a baking dish and stick it in the oven. It takes a little while, a little over an hour to do that because the sausage has to cook in the whole butternut squash, but that is like a meal in itself.
Yeah, that pan's full.
Yeah, it kind of all goes down. It will, I thought it would feed 6 to 8, but it might feed 8 to 10 people. Okay, now we're going to just shove this all down so we can get that foil over it. Now another thing I thought I have some Italian cheese.
Oh yeah, some.
And that might, I don't have that on the recipe, but I made this really good bread back here that I'm going to show you. And I had a little bit of this cheese left over, and I thought, I bet this would be kind of good.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of dress it up a little bit. It's real fine. Just put a little bit on there.
Or you could put it on when it's halfway baked.
Yeah, that might be better. I am going to cover it with foil.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Okay, ready to go in the oven. Preheated the oven to 350. I have my piece of foil here. So we'll cover it, and it will take a little over an hour to cook. Maybe about 60 minutes, or 70 minutes, I'm sorry. Okay, another thing that I'm going to show you that I made is sourdough brew bread.
Say that 3 times really fast.
So yeah, sourdough
brew bread. Brew bread.
And
we sell this here?
We sell this, and it's 1 12-ounce can of or bottle of beer.
It's a new product here that, yeah.
Now, if you don't want to use beer, you can use just a carbonated drink.
Oh, okay. Carbonated water.
So I thought this would go good with that casserole.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I have one more little thing. This is a nice apple dip.
Ah, are you made?
Yep. Okay, this right here is a no-bake cheesecake.
Oh.
You just buy that already made.
Oh.
And
it's like you buy it in the freezer, don't you, or something? Or
no, it's in the refrigerated. It is in the refrigerated area.
Is this going to be really hot when I take it out of the microwave?
It was only in there 30 seconds. So this is our own caramel sauce. And when you put that in there for 30 seconds, it really softens it up real nice. Probably could use a little bit more. Think, Jenny?
Another 15 or 20.
Just 30 seconds again.
I press 3 and to watch it.
Yeah. But like at this time of year, you know, after the football game or just a fall wiener roast or something, this is it's real easy. You just put this,
You got the, yeah, let's see.
it's Philadelphia cream cheese.
Okay.
And I think you can buy it in a brick, but they were out of the bricks.
Well, this might be easier to spread than the brick.
Yeah. You have to soften, yeah. So then you just take our caramel sauce.
Well, I guess you just pour the caramel sauce over the brick.
Yeah. We probably put it out like this here. I mean, this is not a lot of calories in this stuff. But you know, those hungry teenagers, they would like this.
Mm-hmm. Teenagers.
Anybody.
I say adults.
Mm-hmm. So I'll probably use almost half of this. Just kind of spread it around a little bit.
Yeah, it's pretty drizzled.
Mm-hmm. And then on top of that, you put Heath chips.
Ooh. You probably put like Hershey syrup on it too.
Oh yes, you
pecans.
Put these
Heath chips.
English toffee bits with chocolate on them.
Heath's one of my favorite candy bars.
It is mine too.
Like the
But
toffee.
this is really good with. I'm going to slice some Honeycrisp apples.
Oh yeah.
And I'm sure those employees will be right in here for this. They love Thursdays when I'm cooking, so they can get to taste all this stuff. Now you can make as big a dish of this as you want. And this is a last minute thing that you can make up. And just put it out there on the table or wherever.
Sliced apples. And yeah, you could put slices of apples all the way around the dish. Make it look really pretty.
Oh, yes. That would be better yet.
Drizzle some of the caramel on them.
Yeah. Yeah. So I got a few Honeycrisp here.
Get that. Yeah, you just put them all around the edge.
Put them all around there. We set that on the table and they'll just gobble that right up.
If you wanted to cut those Honeycrisp, you dip them in lemon juice water.
Yes.
Mix lemon juice and water and dip them and they won't brown as bad.
You know, Honeycrisp is one apple that does not brown as much as some of the other apples.
Because of its high water content?
I'm not sure, but one time I cut a Honeycrisp when they first came out, and I had it on the counter all night because we didn't eat the whole thing. It wasn't even brown the next morning.
Huh.
So Honeycrisp is a good apple if you don't... Should I cut another one here?
Yeah.
But nice idea for the fall season.
Well, it looks good.
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait to try that bread.
Yes.
What kind was that? Was that the cheese one?
Yes. I put Italian cheese on it.
Cheesy garlic. I'm a salt and chips person more than a sweet person.
So we'll try this bread.
I don't need that big of a piece. I'm full from lunch.
We'll just cut it in small pieces. It's a little heavier bread.
Mm-hmm. Thanks, Mom. Grandma?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
So we have quite a few apples in the farm market right now. The Golden Delicious just came in yesterday.
I saw we had Ambrosia. Snitten. We've had them for a while.
This warm weather is bringing our apples on. We need a little bit of rain.
And they took it out of the forecast, didn't they?
Oh, I don't know.
We were supposed to get rain this weekend, and I think they took it out.
Oh, no. I didn't know that.
I mean, it'd be great if it rained like Thursday night, tonight, or Friday night, but we'll see.
Maybe it'll rain during the night.
Yep, so. All right, well, there you go. Butternut squash and apple casserole. She made one yesterday, but the employees got to it, so we didn't get to see the finished product. Her sourdough bread, or sourdough cheesy garlic bread, which is really good. And then for dessert, or for a tailgate, or football party, we have, what is that? The cheesecake filling with caramel sauce on it with Heath bars, Heath crumbles. So, all right. Well, everybody, thanks for watching, and we're glad you're back, Grandma, and feeling a lot better.
I am. A little over 5.5 weeks since his hip. I've had a little hiccups in between, but not with my hip, some other things. But I'm back to normal.
Back and feeling good. All right. All right. Well, we will see you guys next week. And don't forget, this weekend we'll have unicorns. I believe Elsa is here this weekend. I'd have to check again. One of the characters is. And we have the Mini Moos, the Mini Highland Calf. We'll have a rodeo or cocoa, one or the other each day, Saturday and Sunday. And the U-Pick is open and everything will be going.
We have lots of pumpkins and lots of chrysanthemums.
Yep. So come on out. All right. Thank you.